In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone XR to Wi-Fi using a QR code. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A lot of places nowadays will provide you with a QR code instead of the standard password for a Wi-Fi network. This way, you simply have to scan the QR code and it will automatically allow you to connect. So in order to scan this QR code using your iPhone XR, you have two options and they are going to achieve the same goal. So first, I recommend going over to the control center and enabling the code scanner option. So this will add the code scanner to your control center. So tap the plus sign on the code scanner and it is going to go up here. Once you have the code scanner, you can swipe down from the top and you will see it here. The icon clearly shows the QR code being scanned. So when you tap this option, it will immediately bring up a camera, and all that you have to do is center the QR code related to the Wi-Fi network that you are trying to connect into. It is going to be immediately recognized if you are close enough, and once it is, you will get this pop-up telling you to join the Wi-Fi network from the QR code that you scanned. So all that you have to do now is choose the option to join, and you will be authorized to connect to this Wi-Fi network. There is no secret to this. So the main way is going to be through the code scanner. However, you can also do this by just opening the camera application instead. So if you don't want to modify your control center and add an additional feature, go to the camera settings, and as long as the option to scan QR codes is enabled in the standard camera app, you can essentially do the same thing. So instead of going over here to the control center, just open your camera, point it at the QR code related to the Wi-Fi network, and you are also going to be able to connect to that Wi-Fi network. There is no secret to this. As long as you either use the default camera app or you enable code scanner in the control center, you will be able to authorize yourself to connect to the Wi-Fi network. And through this method, you don't need to manually input the password. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone XR to Wi-Fi using QR code. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.